Hi, Rob with the Rack Shop, here today with a very important update. No, this is not an illusion or Photoshop. We've actually received a shipment of Yakima's Tonneau Kit 1. So for those of you who have a Retrax Pro XR, Retrax 1 XR, basically the XR models, or I believe the Pace Edwards UltraGroove, description below will have the complete list of bed covers that this kit works for. So these have been out of stock for quite a while. We've actually had these on order since about August of last year. So we did just get in a small shipment of these. So for those customers who are ready to make a purchase of the complete rack system, click on the first link in the description below. That'll take you to our website where you can actually select the bar size, whether or not you need a tonneau kit. We are still waiting on the bed track kit 1. So for those of you who have Tacomas, sorry, the wait does continue. But if you have a tonneau cover with the tracks on it, Tonneau Kit 1 is now available for purchase as a complete rack system. So again, click the link in the description below, select your bar size, input your truck information, and we'll double check what you've selected, make sure you're getting the correct parts the first time. So again, OverHaul HD in stock. We've got the Outpost HD in stock as well. And we've got all the load bar sizes available, 55, 60, 68, and we actually just got in some 78s. Those have also been on order for quite a while. So we're happy to finally get stocked up, and I hope you're happy to get your truck decked out and ready for the rest of the summer. So again, click the link on the description below, complete your purchase, or reach out to us with any questions. All right, and like always, thanks for watching.